Hi my beautiful friends, I am Rosni. Welcome back to my channel Real Beauty. Today I am going to share with you a DIY natural distilled rose water. It's easy to make. Today for making distilled rose water, I have taken only rose petals, nothing else. So let's start and heartily welcome those who are viewing my video first. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest update. And also watch the video till then. So let's start how I have made it. For making distilled rose water, at first I have taken an aluminium pot. You can see it must be like I have shown, so that more bowl can fit inside it. And this lid is a must. Next I have taken a glass bowl. Next I have taken a small bowl. Further I have taken 4 roses. Now I will separate the rose petals. See, all the petals are plucked out. Now follow me how I have made it. At first I will keep the bowl turned over. Now I will spread the rose petals around the setup. Now I will pour 2 cups of water in the pot. Now I will keep the glass bowl on the small bowl. Then I will cover it with the lid. Keep in mind the gas should be low flame. You can see after 10 minutes that the evaporated vapor of the rose water has got precipitated in the glass bowl. See, already so much rose water is collected. Next I will put the ice cube on the lid. The reason behind keeping the ice cube is that it boosts the rate of condensation. Do it as I have done. See, the preparation of this rose water has taken an hour or 2. Now I am turning off the gas. After it has cooled down, I will keep it in an empty spray bottle. So finally distilled rose water is ready. Did you know it's not only great for skin health but also helps maintain emotional balance. So let's apply it. Time to wrap up for today. Hope you enjoy the video. If you do so like the video, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest update, because I will share more attractive video with you all. To make sure subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest update. Always check my description box. Other link of my videos are given there, and follow me Instagram, Facebook page and Twitter. All links are provided in the description box. So follow me for sure. Always be well. Take care. Bye.